Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another flipped lesson! Chapter 9, Transformations. Let's get started. There are four main types of transformations. The four types of transformations are translation, reflection, rotation, and dilation. Let's go over each one in detail. First up, we have translation. Translation means to slide or move a figure a certain distance. The figure does not change, and each part moves the exact same distance and in the same direction. So I'm going to show you an example of this with my picture of Mount Hood. I'm just going to slide it over, and that's a translation. So all I did, had a starting point, and then I'm sliding it over. Next up, we have reflection. This is when a figure is flipped across a line of reflection to create a new reflected figure, basically flipping an image over a line. Check out this picture of Mount Hood being reflected in Mirror Lake. It's the perfect example of reflection. I didn't take this picture, but I've been to this lake, and you guys should definitely go because it's awesome. All right, next up we have rotation. And I'm so excited about this one because I'm choosing to use this cute little cat to show you guys about it. All right, the definition of rotation is a circular movement in which a figure rotates around a central point. The figure does not change, and a full rotation is 360 degrees. Common rotations can be 90 degrees like this, 180 degrees, 270, or a full 360. The last transformation we're going to learn about is called dilation. Dilation is a transformation that produces an image that is the same shape as the original, but it is a different size. The original figure either shrinks or gets enlarged. For example, let's take this emoji. It looks just like you when you think about math class. Here's what happens when it goes through a dilation. It becomes an even bigger version of you and your excitement about math class. The emoji didn't change, but the size did, and it became a lot bigger, which is called a dilation. Okay guys, that was a lot of information, so we're going to briefly recap the four main types of transformations. I've created a table with our four transformations and a brief description of each term listed as well. First, we have translation, sliding a figure in any direction. Then we have reflection, flipping a figure over a line. Rotation, rotating a figure around a fixed point. And dilation, shrinking or enlarging a figure. Be prepared to fill in a chart very similar to this when you come to class next. Make sure you guys really understand the four terms because when you get to class, you're going to partner up, use Snapchat, and create videos for me of transformations around the classroom. Our next class is going to be pretty transformational, guys, so I can't wait to see you. Thanks and goodbye.